Hello everyone! Welcome back to BMWORKZ, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of vehicles. Today, we have something special, the BMW i4 eDrive35, a sporty sedan that promises a perfect combination of performance and range for your daily needs. Let's dive in! The first thing that catches your eye is the stunning Portimao blue color with those glossy black details. It's a head-turner, no doubt. The BMW i4 eDrive35 is built on the 4 Series Gran Coupe platform, which gives it a sleek and sporty profile. The M Sport package adds that extra touch, making it look even more appealing. Now let's quickly run through the key specs. The i4 eDrive35 boasts a range of 407 to 483 kilometers, depending on driving conditions. With a 67 kilowatt-hour battery, it supports a max DC charge of 180 kilowatt, allowing a 1080% charge in just 32 minutes. It also supports a max AC charge of 11 kilowatt, allowing charging at home. Now let's talk performance. The i4 eDrive35 is a rear-wheel drive with 286 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 100 in just 6 seconds. While it may not be the fastest in its class, the drive is undeniably enjoyable, offering a perfect blend of power and efficiency. One unique feature is the hatchback design. The tailgate lifts open, providing easy access to a spacious cargo area. This makes it convenient to fit larger items, adding to the practicality of the i4 eDrive35. You can fold the rear seats in a 3-split configuration that gives even more room for longer items. The trunk is also conveniently equipped with a hook for groceries and a 12-volt outlet. There is also room under the floor to store charging cables. Now let's hop inside. The interior is high quality and well designed. At 196 centimeters tall, I fit perfectly in the front seat. The M Sport package extends its influence inside, enhancing the overall aesthetic. The seats are not only stylish, but also incredibly comfortable, perfect for those long drives. Moving on to the tech side of things, the large infotainment screen is a standout feature. The iDrive system is user-friendly and responsive. The vibrant colors and crisp display make it a pleasure to interact with. However, the aircon controls being integrated into the screen may take some getting used to. This car also features a reversing camera to help you get out of harder parking spots. It shows guidelines to help you on your way. The center console is simply and easy to navigate. This i4 still have the older gear knob design that the facelift 3 Series have changed. You can clearly see that even with my 196 centimeters, I fit very well inside the i4. I have plenty of headroom. Let's jump into the back seat. As mentioned earlier, I've taken this BMW for some long drives, and I can vouch for the comfort of these seats. No back pain after 6 or 7 hours in the seats, and that's saying something. However, the rear seat might not be the most comfortable for tall persons for extended journeys. For kids, it is all fine. The rear seats also have climate controls and 2 USB-C ports. The view out the back window is limited and not similar to a regular 3 Series sedan or touring model. Getting out of the car is also not elegant due to the coupe roofline. Wrapping things up, the BMW i4 eDrive35 impresses with its sporty looks, practical hatchback design, and a commendable blend of performance and range. Despite a few quirks, it's a compelling option in the electric sedan market. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more car content.